get the best video. Okay, God bless you.
Thank you สบายดีไหมครับ
สบายดีครับ
ครับ If you've ever wondered how you can communicate with people before you've learned a language, I will give you guys my thoughts on it at the end. But yeah, this is a great advice. And today, ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna introduce to you fluenttalk by Timekettle. It's a device that you can use to communicate with people. You get a 1-year data plan, so for the first year you don't have to worry about connecting to Wi-Fi. They don't take a SIM card. If you want to get the one with the SIM, you'd have to get the bigger device, also made by Timekettle, and I'll leave links in the description for you all. There's a lot of Timekettle products that's really good. This one, in my opinion, was the best price point. It was $99 when I bought it, and the bigger one I believe is 150 or 180 bucks. But yeah, guys, let's go and talk to some locals and see what they say and see if we can get to know someone on a little deeper level. Let's see if we can talk to these fellas. Hello. สวัสดีครับ Is it okay with you if I took a little video?
ตกลงกับคุณไหมถ้าฉันถ่ายวิดีโอเล็กๆน้อย
Is it okay? Okay. ขอบคุณครับ You have a nice car.
ๆคุณมีรถ
ดีดีว้าว
ใช่ Yeah. Very nice. When you speak, you can speak into the microphone like this.
เมื่อคุณพูดใส่ไมโครโฟนเช่นนี้
อ๋อให้ผมพูดใส่
Superstar, bang.
มันธรรมดาแพง
Okay.
ไหนกดตัวนี้อ่ะพี่กดตัวนี้
ใช่
กดตัวนี้
ใช่
แล้วก็นี่
Try. Huh. Very interesting. So he's understanding what I'm saying, but it's a little
เมื่อ
hard.
เช้าไปเที่ยวไหนมาบ้างครับ
Where have you been
เที่ยวไหน
traveling?
มาบ้างครับ
I have been traveling in the United States and also South Africa.
การเดินทางไปอเมริ
ฉัน
กา
ต้องเดินทางไปสหรัฐอเมริกาและแอฟริกาใต้ด้วย
อ๋อ
ใช่ And in Bangkok City and Krabi Province.
และในเขตกรุงเทพมหานครและจังหวัดกระบี่อ๋อสนุกไหมสนุกไหม beautiful
Soy mak. Soy mak. Okay, so already I've been able to communicate about 400% more than I could usually communicate without this device, and I'm learning exponentially. You gotta try to use this device in preferably not so noisy areas, so make sure that your surroundings are somewhat quiet and you don't have a lot of abrasive loud noises pulsing through the speakers while you're talking. Sawadee krab. Yes, yes. I'm gonna say something to you in English and then let me know if this is any good in Thai. So if I say, how is your day so far? Is that somewhat accurate?
yes it's correct
It's correct?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So if you say something back, say something in Thai.
วันนี้คุณเป็นยังไงบ้าง
Let's see.
How's this going
How are you doing? Or what were you saying?
I say how you feel today
Oh, how are you feeling today? Okay. So how's this going? So how are things going with you? Is probably a better way for it to translate. So, okay. So let me say, how are you feeling today?
วันนี้คุณรู้สึกอย่างไร
Good? Okay, cool. So here's my thoughts on the Timekettle fluenttalk device. I think Timekettle and fluenttalk did a really good job at compiling a comprehensive product. Along with the 40 languages and 99 dialects, I think it's really great that they include some offline languages in case you don't have reception, or maybe you run out of data and you didn't plan on making provision for that. Other features include English to Chinese, Korean, Japanese, French, and German. And let's not forget about Spanish. They include 4 offline languages, which is great, as well as the photo scanning functionality. The fact that I was able to communicate about 400 to 500% more than I would have had I not used this device, I'm going to give this device 3 stars, and then I'm going to add another star for the photo scanning functionality. But the fact that this device is only $99 makes it a no-brainer. You would pay at least $200 to $300 to get an online language course, but for $99, I think this device is great, especially if you need directions. Maybe you want to ask someone how much something costs. I think this is a great device for the price that they charge, and for that I'm going to give it another 0.5. So my final verdict is 4.5 out of 5.